This is one of the weirdest things that's happened to me in a while. Today, number one, today's gonna be an awesome day because my new car is finally getting delivered. And I haven't really talked a lot on here about, I'll tell you what happened in my old car and then we'll show you the new car. But this part right here is super weird to me. I got this email and I thought it was spam, but they were like, hey, we really like your videos and we wanna send you some of our product and some t-shirts and stuff. And it's like a really big brand, so I am obviously not a very big, I'm not a big YouTuber at all. Like I have 400 subscribers or something. So it's super weird to me that anybody wants to send me anything for free, but pretty stoked because these people did. If it is a plot to steal my identity, it's very elaborate. Open it up and see what they sent me. I'll find something to use it on. Holy moly, there's a lot of stuff in here. The folks at Super Clean think I'm pretty wonderful. We're gonna put the Super Clean degreaser, actually all of this stuff to the test. The Hornet leaks oil and it's so dirty, and the CRX is also pretty dirty. Did I say it leaks oil? They sent me floor absorbent and a sticker. They sent me a t-shirt and a green camouflage hat. Yeah, so thank you to Super Clean. I don't know why you have any interest in giving me stuff, but I appreciate it. I will make videos showing what we do with that, and yeah. My new car is supposed to be here any minute. I actually don't know, but I think that it's gonna be pulling up right around here. So I've basically been working on this for 6 weeks now. Tomorrow will be 6 weeks. It's here. I didn't see it out the window. He said he's right in front of the construction. There's a bunch of construction in our office, but I have to sign a couple of things, and then I guess it's just mine, so that's pretty sweet. Look at this guy. I didn't think this car would ever come.
Hey, that's kind of what I thought, but I did want to show you a couple things on it.
You may have noticed that I haven't been driving my Mercedes for quite some time. It's been about 6 weeks. I totaled the C450. There's a lot of moving parts with the vehicle getting totaled, so I didn't want to make a video until everything was all final and set because like insurance company and all of that kind of stuff. So took a roundabout a little bit too fast, overcorrected in one direction, lost control of the car and hit a light pole. I was completely fine. Like, I didn't even have any bruises or anything. The airbags didn't go off, but whatever. It sucked. Once I started to realize that that car was going to be totaled, I started shopping for a new one. It took a while for it to officially get totaled, but like the first estimate, actually to get the first estimate took a while too. First estimate revealed like $27,000 in damage to that car. I hit the pole on the passenger side front and it pretty much just ripped the suspension out of the car. So that was the end of that. Once I got the number, like once I knew it was $27,000 or almost $28,000 before they even took anything apart, I was like, all right, I need to shop for a new car. I love that car so much. I felt so stupid for totaling it. Like, it was awful. So I decided I wanted to get just the exact same thing. So what I got is, and the car that I'm driving right now actually, is a 2017, so a year newer than my last one, but a 2017 C450 AMG. So I'm gonna drive to the shed and drop a couple things off, and then I'll show you sort of the car. So I think I said already, the car is a 2017 C43 AMG, selenite gray. Options that it has almost every option except for the performance exhaust, which is why it's so quiet right now. 19-inch wheels. I don't really care for these wheels, but once I paint them black, I think they'll look sweet. It does have the LED adaptive headlights, which look so much cooler, and the 360 camera stuff, which is pretty cool inside the car. AMG performance seats, steering thing, and a lane thing, and the 360 camera, carbon fiber interior stuff, the bigger screen. It has the, I don't know, it has a bunch of options. And then I also have all of this junk. So the burger tune, intakes right here, wheel spacers, H&R, VTF springs, these guys for the floor, carbon fiber spoiler. This car should be pretty sweet. It's getting wrapped matte gray, dropping it off tomorrow. I'm gonna take care of this one a lot better. I'm not gonna wreck it like my last two Mercedes. Look at these guys. A license plate on the front of my car, get out of here. No offense to Bill Marsh, I just don't like front license plates. Hang this on the wall inside there. It's so annoying. Like, this car came from California, so they have to have front license plates, so it just sucks that they screw through the bumper to do it. First modification complete. So I debated on keeping this plate or getting a different one, and still haven't decided. I'm gonna, obviously I have to put this one on now because it's registered to this car. I think I might get a different plate. I don't know, I gotta think of something good. It's official, a new OMG AMG.